Hey Feds, here's another question that's a little bit more involved. This person asked, do you have a sense for the percentage of FERS employees that opt out of Medicare Part B? And he's asking this because of IRMAA. So let me dive in a little bit. First off, you don't typically opt out of Medicare Part B, you have to opt in. So what I think he's saying is that those who do not opt in for Medicare Part B. What percentage don't? And the reason he's asking, IRMAA basically says, it's not my favorite thing. IRMAA basically says, hey, you're making enough money, you can afford to pay more for Part B, so we're gonna make you pay more. You don't get any more benefit out of it, you just have to pay more. I'm not a fan of that, but it is what it is. And so your Part B premium, when you turn 65 and you get Part B, can double, triple, even quadruple in price. You don't get any more benefit, but it just costs more money. And so people find themselves often in the spot where they have a higher payout, a higher premium for Part B. So a lot of them say, you know what, I don't want to do this. Now, when I say a lot, that's a numbers wise. I don't know percentage wise. That's a good question percentage wise, but I don't know of the percentage that do or that don't do Part B just because of IRMAA. Now, there are specific things. Basically, what IRMAA looks at is your taxable income. If in the TSP you can do Roth and you're pulling Roth money, then that isn't counted as taxable income because it's not. And that way your income looks lower to Medicare, and so they won't raise, they won't raise it as quickly. Now you still do have your Social Security, you still do have your pension that you're going to get taxed on. But if you can keep your taxable income lower, it will actually lower your Medicare payout, your Medicare premium. Odd, but it's true. So the more you can not only figure out what do I do best in each benefit, but also how, when I put them together, do they complement each other? Do they help each other, or do they work against each other? Some things you may want to think out or think of as you start preparing. Come to one of our workshops and learn a lot more than just that.